Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your cover image from your PlayStation account on PS5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move up to the top until you get to Games and Media, and then move to the right until you get to your profile image and click on that. Now select Profile. On your profile page, select the Edit Profile button from the right. Scroll down and select Cover Image. In Cover Image Settings, click Remove Image, and then select OK to confirm it. Your cover image has now been removed from your PlayStation profile. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.